Imagine a world where new drugs and treatments are tested without a plan, leading to unreliable results and potentially harming patients. In such a chaotic environment, researchers struggle to make sense of disorganized data, and the path to medical breakthroughs becomes obscured. The lack of structure and direction can result in significant setbacks, delaying the development of life-saving treatments and therapies. This highlights the crucial role of a well-defined study design in clinical research. A meticulously planned study ensures that every step of the research process is clear and methodical. Researchers can confidently interpret their findings, knowing that the data collected is reliable and valid. A robust study design is the backbone of medical advancements, ensuring that research is conducted rigorously and ethically. It provides a framework that guides researchers through complex clinical trials, helping them adhere to ethical standards and regulatory requirements. This structured approach not only enhances the credibility of the research, but also accelerates the discovery of new treatments. Without a clear roadmap, research can be like a ship lost at sea, leading to wasted resources, inconclusive findings, and missed opportunities. A well-defined study design acts as a compass, steering the research in the right direction and ensuring that every effort contributes to meaningful and impactful medical advancements. By following a structured plan, researchers can navigate the complexities of clinical trials with confidence and precision. In essence, study design is the blueprint for conducting research. It outlines the methods and procedures used to answer specific research questions about new drugs, treatments, or medical devices. This blueprint defines the study's structure, including participant selection, data collection methods, and analysis techniques. A well-designed study ensures that the research question is answered reliably and accurately. The significance of study design lies in its ability to ensure the accuracy, efficiency, and ethical conduct of research. A well-planned study minimizes bias, maximizes the use of resources, and protects the well-being of participants. By adhering to rigorous study design principles, researchers can generate reliable evidence to inform medical practice and improve patient care. Study designs can be broadly categorized into two main types: observational and experimental. Understanding these categories is crucial for researchers as they plan their investigations. Each type of study design serves a unique purpose and is chosen based on the research question at hand. Observational studies observe participants without intervening, like tracking the natural progression of a disease. These studies are often used to identify risk factors and outcomes, providing valuable insights into how diseases develop and progress over time. They can be prospective, following participants forward in time, or retrospective, looking back at existing data. Experimental studies, on the other hand, involve an intervention, such as testing a new drug and assessing its effects. These studies are typically randomized controlled trials, where participants are randomly assigned to receive either the intervention or a placebo. This helps to eliminate bias and provide strong evidence on the efficacy and safety of new treatments. Each design has strengths and limitations, making it suitable for answering specific research questions. Observational studies are great for generating hypotheses and understanding associations, while experimental studies are essential for establishing causality. By carefully choosing the appropriate study design, researchers can ensure their findings are robust and reliable. Choosing the right study design is crucial for the success of any research endeavor. The design you select can significantly impact the validity and reliability of your results. It's not just about collecting data, it's about collecting the right data in the right way. The choice depends on the research question, available resources, and ethical considerations. For instance, if resources are limited, a simpler observational study might be more feasible than a complex experimental design. For example, if we want to investigate the cause of a disease, a case control study, which is observational, might be appropriate. This type of study compares patients with the disease to those without, looking for prior exposure or risk factors. But to test the effectiveness of a new drug, a randomized controlled trial, which is experimental, would be preferred. This design randomly assigns participants to either the treatment or control group, ensuring that the results are due to the intervention and not other variables. By carefully choosing the optimal study design, researchers can ensure their findings are robust and meaningful.